Okay, in this part we're going to discuss the next step after experiments is law. As we discussed in the previous part, that when the experimental results and the theoretical results reconcile with each other, and we know it very well that this process of reconciling or reconciliation of theoretical and experimental result is cumbersome, it's very laborious, it is time consuming, and it is effort taking, because this is the main gist of any scientific method. It is what scientist is thriving. He want to answer the questions he has observed in any physical phenomena, and for that he is actually carrying out experimental processes, so that he may conclude at some point that what he has observed is right, and if not, then he would carry out different other alternate processes of experimental series to conclude the result, or to rectify any portion of his hypothesis or theory, or redesign it from the scratch, maybe sometimes. So after this analysis, if the reconciliation happens, this theory is backed by now experimental results, officially becomes a law. And law is actually, in short form, we can say that it is a proven theory. Law is actually a proven theory because it has been proved by the experimental result, and that's why it has reached to the status of law, because law is always correct, because it has been corrected and rectified by the experimental results, and law is undeniable. That's why it is called law, which is unchangeable and has become static in its nature. And then it is used, and then it can be used by different other processes as a reference or as a basis of further, ramifications of different theories and different sciences, or different, branches of sciences. This law can be used intermingly because it has reached to the status of acceptable. So experiments, as we said, they are designed to test the theory, and the law is actually a statement regarding the behavior of nature, which actually explains observations along with experimental results of the past. And also, another main point about it is that it predicts the future aspects of any physical phenomenon.